whoever is elected in the next elections will have a very robust list of actions that they will need to take to reintegrate Zimbabwe into the international community and to allow its citizens to fulfill the great promise of the 2013 election, bringing all of the laws, the pre-2013 laws, into compliance with the Constitution, ensuring that the rule of law is fairly administered, broad economic reforms to reactivate the economy are all very important. And the United States will continue to speak out in favor of those steps. We are not prejudging this administration and their commitment to carry out those steps. And we would call on any country to fulfill the highest standards of respect for democracy and human rights. But I think in Zimbabwe, given your own constitution, it is vital that the country live up to those high ideals, and I'm very optimistic that it will.